Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine and I hope all of you are good. So students, as you all know, it is your maths class and I am here again with a new topic, place value and face value for all of you. Now let us start. Let us understand the concept of face value. Student, face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. It means कि किसी भी नंबर में डिजिट की फेस वैल्यू वो डिजिट्स ही होती हैं. इट डजेंट मैटर वॉट एवर प्लेस इट ऑक्युपाइज इन द प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. ओके, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में किस प्लेस पर है. ओके, सो फेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट इन अ नंबर इज द डिजिट इटसेल्फ. किसी भी नंबर में डिजिट की फेस वैल्यू वो डिजिट खुद होती है. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो किस प्लेस पर है. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. सपोज दैट वी हैव अ नंबर 7,23,980 and we have to find the face value of all the digits. So let us start. The face value of 4 is 4 itself. The face value of 8 is the 8 itself. The face value of 9 is the 9 itself. The face value of 3 is the 3 itself. The face value of 2 is the 2 itself. And the face value of 7 is the 7 itself. So, जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कि फेस वैल्यू किसी भी नंबर की, किसी भी डिजिट की वो डिजिट खुद होती है. इट डजेंट मैटर कि वो किस प्लेस पर है प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लेट अस सॉल्व एन अदर एग्जांपल. The face value of 3 in 382,870. So we have to find the face value of 3 in that number. So what is the face value of 3? The digit 3 itself. Okay, the face value of 3 in the number is the digit itself. जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बताया है कि किसी भी नंबर में अगर हमें किसी भी डिजिट की फेस वैल्यू फाइंड करनी होगी तो सिर्फ वो डिजिट ही हम लिख देंगे. इट मींस फेस वैल्यू किसी भी डिजिट की नंबर में वो डिजिट खुद होती है. इट डजेंट मैटर कि वो किस प्लेस पर है प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में. ओके, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्लेस वैल्यू. सो व्हाट इज प्लेस वैल्यू? Place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it occupies in the place value chart. Okay? कि place value किसी भी digit की किस पर डिपेंड करती है कि वो किस प्लेस पर है place value chart. Now let us understand the concept of place value with the help of an example. Suppose that we have a number 4,83,745 and we have to find the place value of the digits of this number. So what we have to do? Now let us start. First of all, the digit on the ones place is 5 and multiplied by what the place it occupies? Ones place. So we multiply the digit by their place. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. It means the place value of 5 in the place value chart is 5. Now the place value of 4. So first of all we take the digit and multiply by the place it occupies. It occupies the tens place. So we multiply 4 by the 10. It means the place value of 4 is 40. Next, place value of 7. We have the digit 7. And it occupies the 100 place. So we multiply the 7 by the 100. So what is the place value of 7? Is 700. Now next number is 3. And what place it occupies? 1000. So we should multiply the 3 by the 1000. What is the place value of 3? Is 3000. Now next number is 8. 8 into 10,000 because it occupies the 10,000 place. So we multiply the 8 into 10,000 and the number is 8 into 10,000 is 80,000. Next one is 4. the digit is 4 and it occupies the place lakh. So we multiply 4 by the lakh. It means the place value of 4 in the number is 4 lakh. What we observe here, students, to find the place value of any digit in the number, we have to multiply the digit by their place. Okay? Let us do some more example to understand the concept of place value. Students, come to the exercise 3, question number 1. Now, here are some questions to find the place value of the digit in the number. Let us solve. Question number 1 is find the place value of 3 in the number 8,35,182. So what we have to do first, we put all the digits in their place value chart. Okay, 2, 8, 1, 5, 3 and 8. Now, to find the place value of 3 in the number, first of all look at the digit. What is the digit? Is 3. And what place it occupies in the place value chart? 10,000. Okay, 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. So we should multiply the 3 by the 10,000. Okay, so what is the place value of 3 in the number? 3 into 10,000, 30,000 is the place value of the digit. Let us do one more question. We have to find the place value of 0 in this number. Now, we again put the numbers in their place value chart. Ones, 7, tens, 1, 3, hundreds, 1,000, 5, 10,000, 3, lakh, 5, 10 lakh, 0 and crore, 2. Now, to find the place value of 0 in the number, we multiply the digit 0 by their place value. 10 lakh. So what is the place value of 0? Is 0. Students, we all know that to multiply the 0 by any number or any digit, the result, the product we find is the 0 itself. So what we observe here? We observe here the place value of 0 in any number is always 0. Okay? किसी भी नंबर में 0 की जो place value होगी वो हमेशा 0 ही आएगी. It doesn't matter whatever place it occupies. Okay? So students, come to the question number 2 from your exercise 3. Find the difference in the place value of the two 8s in the number 25 crore 83 lakh 82,127. Here we have a question. So students, as we all know, the pattern of the question is always changing in our math syllabus. So don't be panic after looking that type of questions. Keep calm yourself and do the question. Now, first of all, we have to find the place value of the two 8s in the number. First thing, we have to find the place value of the two 8s in the number. So what we have to do to find the place value? First of all, we put all the digits in their place value chart. 7, 2, 1, 2, 8, 3, 8 and 5 and 2. Now we have to find the place value of the 8 in the number. So first of all, place value of this 8 is 8 into What place it occupies? 10,000 place. So the place value of 8 is 8 multiplied by 10,000 is 80,000. Now let us find the place value of second 8. What is the number? 8. What is the digit? 8. And what place it occupies? 10 lakh place. So we should multiply 8 by their place value. It means we should multiply the 8 by the 10 lakh. So the place value of 8 is 8 into 10 lakh, 80 lakh. Okay. Now here we have the place value of the two 8s in the number. First place value of 8 is 80,000 and the second place value of 8 is 80 lakh. Students, now we have to find the difference of two 8s in the number. Here we have the number. Okay. Now to find the difference, we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So our greater number is 80 lakh and our smaller number is 80,000. Now let us start the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here is 0. Here 0. 0. Here is 0 and here is 8. Now we take a carry from this number, but it has no value also. So we take carry first from this number and then from this number. Now this number becomes the 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay. This number becomes the 9. So here we write 9. And this number becomes 7. So here we write 7. So the difference of two 8s is 79 lakh and 20,000. Now students, I hope all of you understand the concept of place value and face value very carefully. The practice of sums in the maths is very important for us. So I request to all of you, keep practicing of all the sums every day. Okay? Thank you.